Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of time and temperature. Right? And in my previous sessions, we have discussed everything about time and temperature. We have seen, we have recalled what we studied in class 4th regarding clock, the face of clock, how the arms position themselves, right? And what it means, we had also seen that if it is 7 o'clock, then that means the bigger hand should be at 12 and the smaller one should be at 7, right? We have seen that all, right? See, like this, and the bigger one at 12, right? Like this, okay? Then we also saw how to change it into hours. 3 days is equal to 3 into 24, which is 72 hours. We also saw what are AM and PM and how 24-hour clock times and 12 hours clock time changes are done. And then we also moved to minutes, and we saw that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and how this calculation is done, right? We also saw where the hands of the clock will be if that is the time. And then we moved on to time in seconds, right? And saw that every minute contains 60 seconds, right? We also we saw the third hand is called the second hand, and it moves the fastest, right? It moves the fastest, right? Now we have to move towards the temperature part. There were also some problem based on time, and after that came the temperature part, right? Temperature is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of a body, object, or a substance. Two scales commonly used for temperature measuring temperature are the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Temperature can be measured using a thermometer, right? Two types of thermometers generally used are the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is used to measure temperature during scientific experiments. It shows temperature in degree centigrade, right? It ranges as minus 10 degree to 120 degree centigrade. Freezing point of water is 0 degree centigrade and boiling point is 100 degree centigrade. See, this is how a laboratory thermometer looks like, right? A clinical thermometer is used for measuring body temperature. It shows temperature in degree Fahrenheit. It ranges from 90 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Normal temperature of a body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, with the freezing point of water being 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now, in India and some Asian countries, weather data is given in degree centigrade. In Europe and America, it is given in Fahrenheit. Below 0 degree centigrade, it's very cold, 0 to 10 degree cold, and so on. Now let us do this exercise here. Two scales used for measuring temperatures are centigrade and Fahrenheit. The Celsius scale, see here, you will be writing in the first one there will be Celsius, Celsius, SIUS, and the second one will be Fahrenheit, FARENHEIT, Fahrenheit, right? In Celsius scale, freezing point of water is 0 degree and the boiling point of water is 100 degree. In the Fahrenheit scale, freezing point of water is 32 degree and boiling point of water is 212 degree. The two types of thermometer commonly used are, see what are the two types of thermometer, laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer, right? And this minus 3 degree centigrade is below 0 degree, it is a very cold one, and 36 degree is hot area, right? Like this you have to do. So with that we come to the end of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. Until we meet again, it's a goodbye.